loads of birds. I think there's some birds up here too. Yeah, birds. And then they're all in this tree, which is a cherry tree, which isn't good. And there's more birds. Yeah. Birds. There's loads of birds. They're all stealing cherries from this tree, and it's not going to be good. Because if they steal cherry from a tree, it's not good. Because they get smack bottoms. Please give this views. Please. Yeah, let's see if we go back to doing this. If I just step away from the... Yeah, birds. Where had I gone? Birds. I don't know what type of birds they are. I don't want to know what type of birds they are. I just know they're birds. These are very good birds. Yes, they are good birds. Bye.